Okay, so now we will solve. So if we look at the formula and type it into our calculator, 4 times 10 is 40. 0.07 divided by 4 equals 0.0175 plus 1 equals 1.0175 times 750. Well, now you want to put 1.0175 to the 40th power into your calculator, and you get approximately 2. We'll just go with 2. So A then equals 750 times 2. Plug that into your calculator. We'll put approximately there. We'll plug in the exact one. Times 750. You get about $1,501.20 approximately. All right, so that is how much Noreen will have if she invests $750 at 7% annual interest rate, compounded quarterly for 10 years. Okay, well now let's look at the other type of formula we have, which would be interest compounded continually. For this, there is a different formula. The formula is A equals PE to the RT. Those are raised, as you can see. A equals the amount at the end of T years, so T is the amount of time. E is actually an interesting letter / number because E is actually a substitute for a number, much like pi. And it can be found on your calculator. As you can see, it can be found right there. It's a blue one. And it signifies interest compounded continually. All right, and then R is the interest rate as a decimal, again, as it was in the prior formula. And T, well, T, it's a compounding period, unlike the first formula. So, let's go through an example. Schmidt is paid $150 for grooming Carter's yard with scissors. He decides to invest all $150 at an 18% annual interest rate that is compounded continually. How long will it take for Schmidt to buy a lawnmower if it costs $550? Well, for this one, it's kind of different how we do it, because if you look through it, you are given A already, because A is your amount after a certain amount of time. So you put 550 for A, then P is our principal, which shows here is 150. E, you just use and plug in from your calculator. R would be our interest rate as a decimal, which is 18. So you put as 0.18, not 18, 0.18. Not 18, 0.18. All right, then you multiply it by T, which is a compounding period. So, as you can see, if you look through here, you'll be like, whoa, hey Carter, where's T? I'll be like, I don't know. So that means we need to find T. Where's T? So